Are you tired of getting mediocre results with your fertilisers? Are you being outshined by your competition, growing better quality produce and faster and more prolific? Are your farm profits being squeezed by increasing costs and cheaper competitive prices, challenging your very survival? Modern soil tests are revealing that chemical fertilisers and harsh manures are causing imbalances that are locking up nutrients, killing off soil microbes and reducing water retention. Unfortunately, these imbalances invite unwanted weeds, pests and diseases and affect your quality and yield. Yet, despite the concerning signs, too many growers continue to apply the harsh fertilisers and treatments. Some people turn to soil conditioners such as seaweed and worm castings, but with hardly any macronutrients, the results are often minimal. A big step up is a quality fish fertiliser, but many producers are cheap and nasty. They simply don't know how to cool process fish to retain all the valuable nutrients. Instead, they boil the crapper out of various low-grade, sometimes half-rotten fish scraps, and then add acid to break down the bones, which just destroys any remaining goodness. And then they water it down to a low price point. Some producers even add in potassium chloride, which kills soil microbes quick. Don't risk it. All in all, the science is there are some concerning products out there ruining farms and burning holes in pockets without results. If you're looking for the latest and greatest in scientific developments, then you might like to consider what's been breaking records and typically delivering 25 to 33% more prolific growth, greater quality and extended shelf life. Let me show you this. It's called UGF 6in1. UGF stands for unknown growth factor, a term coined by scientists surrounding why fast-growing fish grow so fast. They're said to contain the unknown growth factor. It's a liquid concentrate guaranteed to contain over 50% A1 grade fast-growing fish. The secret cool processing technique retains the goodness of the fish stimulants in their heightened form like no one else can. It's also loaded with scientific enhancements such that it's a 6-in-1. It's a growth stimulant, root hormone, organic fertiliser. It's also a plant tonic, soil conditioner and microbes booster. There is nothing else like this as advanced, natural and powerful. In a recent study, 2 soil doctors assessed UGF 6-in-1 against the 3 most mainstream fertilisers, that being granule phosphates of MAP, DAP, urea and superphosphate. The result was UGF 6-in-1 achieved a massive 26 to 63% more growth. Here's a mere example of what other experienced growers are saying.
Bigger stems, bigger heads, more foliage, greener foliage, longer and thicker. They're like a baseball bat. I couldn't believe it. I really couldn't believe it.
The stems are better than they've ever been.
The colour intensity is absolutely outstanding.
I've been eating heaps and heaps of fruit off of these. Nice, big, ripe fruit, and that's on something that's 6 months old.
A foot difference in terms of the height.
I've never been able to even grow a passion fruit vine. Seems to be growing overnight.
The density of the growth and the strength of the stolons is really quite evident. Tissue testing has been done and we have found, positive results with that. We were getting more of these fine roots and they're strong. You even try and pull them.
Here's an example of what we saw in the other paddock, and that was just at random. Let's have a look here. There's maybe a comparison.
Random people just walking past and saying, gee, your lawn's green, we can't believe this is the same lawn. It's honest. Look how green, and it's thick. I mean, you saw it, you know what it looked like before.
Yeah, I did.
Kaikuri and the rye that is already in this paddock have just gone nuts, as well as the lucerne and the millet. It's a much more healthier, robust seed.
As you can see, UGF 6-in-1 has been achieving amazing results, even returns on investments of 2,000%. Now, quantities of this UGF 6-in-1 are limited, so find out more information on our website and social media and grab some for yourself today. May the unknown growth factor be with you too.